Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting this vlog here. As you can see, the makeup is looking so fine. This vlog will come after the vlog that I've done my makeup, so go ahead and watch that vlog if you haven't watched it. Currently 5, and I said guys in my other vlog that I was going to go back to you by 5. As you can see, the makeup still holds very well. I'm using the natural lighting because my light is kind of charging. It has been a long process. So I did tell you that I applied for a driving license and it's finally here. It has taken a long journey, by the way. First of all, they returned the application to me because one, my photo wasn't looking good, so I had to send a new photo. Secondly, they returned it because unfortunately for me, I put my birthplace as UK, and I don't even know why I did that. And then I called them and I asked them to change it, and one of the customer care told me to just cross the United Kingdom and write Kenya. But then again, they sent it to me saying that they need proof that I'm from United Kingdom. And then I called the customer care and they were like, okay, this is what you need to do. You need to write down in in full sentences that you made a mistake and put your birthplace as United Kingdom and not as Kenya. And then voila, in 1 week the provincial driving license is here. OMG, I'm so happy. I'm really happy. I'm going to start learning how to drive. I have never drove in my life before. Ordered another light and it just arrived. So this is a big lighting for my shooting. Like I really want to do this, guys, even though I go off and on in terms of shooting videos. The one that I have is the smaller one. I think that one I can be using it whenever I go out and I don't want to carry the big light, but most of the time I kind of shoot my videos when I'm in the house, so this will come in handy. And I just wanted to unbox with you guys. Morning guys, it's another day and it's sunny and we're wearing a short today again with a long sleeve because today I have a very busy day. I am at my boyfriend's house, but I'm heading home right now because I want to unbox something that I got yesterday and I didn't get time to unbox it. And then from my house I am going to check out an apartment. That's the outfit for today. The perfume of today is this Floral Street Sunflower Pop. I bought this long time ago in February. I've been saving it for this type of temperature, and I mixed it with the Sol de Janeiro number 59. This 59 and the one Danca Mystica is the one I like from Sol de Janeiro. So guys, I'm at my place. This is it. Comes with a tripod by itself. This is the second tripod. This is where the light is, and I opened yesterday and I saw it had like different colors. So it comes 2 of these. I believe this is the light, and with those 2, because it has 2 tripods, it also has the 2 lights and 2 of this. I'm going to set it up so you guys can see. I'll just set these buttons, I believe. Let me bring you guys closer. So these buttons, I believe, for turning it on. So the middle one is for turning it on, and I believe This one is for turning the brightness, and this one is for turning down and turning up the brightness. Can you see that, guys? OMG, that looks really nice. This is how it looks. I have kind of lowered down or turned down the light, like I've closed my window, ensure there's some darkness, because if I close it, that's how it looks without the light, and that's how bright it looks with the light. I don't know if you could see any difference, but if you could see any difference, comment down below. Hi guys, it's another day. It's Monday the 5th, and today is a public holiday. So my boyfriend and I have decided to go to this event. It's a circus. I have never been in a circus, so these are the tickets. So if you have these, you pay less, and after that we have to go to the movies because we are going to watch this movie known as Sinners. I wanted to do a 3-in-1 get ready with me, but I wasn't able to do it because first I had a night shift and I woke up kind of late. So most amazing show ever. We used to go in Kenya for showgrounds and all that, but this is way more than showground. This is so much good fun, laughing. There's a clown here. But this is my first time seeing a real clown. Anyway, I'm going to ask my boyfriend how he rates the first performance, because right now we are in the interval. He will let us know what was his perfect show, which show or performance was really nice to him.
So far, maybe seven or eight-ish, I would say.
Come on!
Yeah, really. I liked the one with the, you know, the one where the guys were on that thing that was swinging.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they were moving around. That was really good. The bike guy too. I really like that one, the bikes.
Come on, you're a guy. Obviously, you like
nice.
the bike thing.
Yeah, but so far it's been like 7 or 8. Very good show.
No, you have to have one, not 7 or 8. Have one.
7.
7. For me, guys, it has been 8, because everything is the first time for me, and I really enjoyed everything about the performance. The one that was really, really good for me was with the lady in a ring. That one. That was the best performance so far for me. And if I was only to watch that one, I will rate that one 8 also. We are at the movies and I got some hot dog and Pepsi Max. My boyfriend has been nagging me about this movie, Sinners. So finally I decided to go watch it. Morning guys, it's another day and I'm heading to bath because I need to get a few things. But before we go, I kind of unboxed a new perfume that I've been loving. I got this perfume from Space NK as a travel size, and then I decided to finally get it in the bigger size, and that's the Juliet Hazagan Miami Shake. Oh, this perfume smells so good. It lasts on me 6 hours and I love it. I've just sprayed it already and I can't get enough of spraying it. This is my perfume of the day. I mixed it with the Danca Mystica from So de Janeiro, which perfectly mixes with every perfume that I have or I got. But yeah,